Face Lola. Here. Finish the song. Come on. Here. Again. There comes the time. Okay.
Here comes the time. Hey, don't close the door.
Again.
Close the door. The dog is singing.
People dying. Oh, it is time to relax. Tonight, the greatest gift.
Aba.
What the what?
Returning day by day. Love of
We are the world.
We are the world.
We are the children.
We are the children. We are the ones who make it better. They still laugh.
We are the world.
Not yet. You can't finish the song. There are people dying. Okay, I have a. Okay. What is that song? What is the song "We Are the World" about? What does it say? Okay, Lola doesn't know what's behind the song. Tell Lola. Tell us about the song "We Are the World." What is it about? Hey,
It is about families.
families in where?
Then where?
I never whisper.
Okay, families in Africa. Why?
Why?
What's happening in Africa? Why? People are dying. Why? There's no food? Okay. What? And? There's mosquitoes? Oh, and? So what? There's mosquitoes and there's no food. So? So? So we're singing that song. Okay.
Good night.